Everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about budgeting, simply for the fact that it's the season that we are in, because this season is basically season for spending. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be talking about practical ways on how you're going to budget your spending. Okay, because trust me, this is the only secret sauce that will let you enjoy your Christmas with your family, and friend, without waking up to a financial hangover by January. Okay, so but before I proceed, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, let's dive right into it. Okay, but before I proceed, so guys, the first one is to set a realistic budget. Okay, you have to know how much you're going to spend during this period without hurting your financial goal. So you have to be very honest with yourself. If you decide that you want to spend 100k during this period, you have to stick to it. But what I would advise you to do is to write out all the things that you need to spend money on. If you're the kind of person that wants to buy some clothing, you want to decorate your house, you want to host your friends, you have to write down each and everything that you want to spend money on and calculate and know how much. Then I will advise you, what I usually do is that most times I add a little bit of money on top of what the price used to be. Let's take for example, I want to get something that is worth 1k. Maybe the last time I got it was 1k. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to increase the price to 1,200 or 1,300, so that when I get to the market or when I get to wherever I want to shop from, I will see that if the price still remains the same, that means I'm going to have some money left for myself. Or if the price increase, I will still be able to afford it, if that makes sense. So what I'm trying to say is for you to set a realistic budget and make sure that you're not overspending. Just set a realistic budget, be honest with yourself, so that you don't finish your money. You understand? Yeah. So guys, the next one is to prioritize your spending. Okay, so you have to identify the top priority of the season for you. You have to know what is most important. You don't have to go and start swiping your card anywhere you see, just because, oh, you think you want this, oh, you think, no. If you have set a budget and say that, okay, this is what I need to do, listen, you can't go outside the budget. Did you hear me? You can't go outside the budget. You have to stick to that budget. You have to stick to that budget. So you have to know what is most important. Let's say, for example, you have to buy gifts for your family, your friends, you have to host your friends, you have to change your wardrobe, you have to decorate your house both in and out. You have to know which one is most important. There are some people that cannot be fully in the mood of Christmas if their house is not looking like Christmas. You get what I mean? So they will have to prioritize decorating their house, which me I love. So you have to decorate your house and make it look Christmas. That one is aside. Then if you have to spend money, maybe buying shoes, clothes, and all of that, of course you're not going to wear 10 pairs of shoes during the Christmas. So you can cut it down to, maybe you can get 3, you can get 4, you can get 5. The ones that you need that you're going to wear at that time. Then if you need to buy gifts for your friend also, you have to prioritize, know which friend is a priority, because not all our friends are priority. Do you understand? You have to know which friend is a priority and buy them the gift that they deserve. Do you get me? So you don't have to swipe, because if you don't budget, you're going to keep swiping your card, all the POS, putting your pin, all the online shops and to the bank and all of that. At the end of the day, you will find out that you have finished spending even your savings, even everything that you have kept for yourself from January to December, everything, just because of let's say 2 months of festive season. Because for me, I still used to count January as festive season. So you will realize that you spent everything. No, we are not doing that here. You have to prioritize which one is most important and stick to it. Okay, yeah. So guys, the next one I'm going to be talking about is for you to embrace DIYs and thoughtful giving. Okay, what I mean is that, let me give you an instance. One time I went to the shopping mall, so I needed to get a box for a gift for my business, right? So when I went there to actually ask for the price, the box isn't all that big, but it is three sizes, 3 steps like that. So when I asked for the biggest size, because it's just a portable box like that, they told me 18k. Actually, the box is very fine from the outside, really, really fine. But I have just, thinking about it, like, I can actually make this box myself. Like, why would I want to spend 18k just to get an empty box? That means when the person has finished taking the the gift, the box is actually empty and it's lying there and it's a waste. Do you understand? It's not like it's something that you can actually use for something else. I don't know, but so what I'm trying to say here is that if you're someone who is very good in DIY, you can actually construct a box for your gift giving. Do you know one thing is that people actually like it more when you put that effort trying to, impress them, trying to create something that they will really appreciate instead of buying it when it's already made. Something like wrapping of a gift, that box, you can actually do it yourself. And another thing is, if you want to give someone a gift, you just don't randomly pick something and give the person without even thinking about it. You have to give someone a thoughtful gift. You have to say, oh, this person might need a pair of shoe at this time because maybe the last time you saw the person, the one he or she was putting on is not so good. You can, decide to get a new pair of shoe. Like, you have to gift something that that person will really need, like, and appreciate. Not just going on top of your head and just giving gifts randomly. And you might end up giving that gift and the person will dump it there forever and will never use it. So now it's a waste of money, effort, energy, everything. So you wouldn't want to do that. So if you're gifting anybody, your friend, your family member, whoever, make sure that you're giving a thoughtful gift. Okay? Yes. So guys, the next one is for you to take advantage of sales and discounts. Okay, this is what is called smart shopping. Let me tell you, do you have that your favorite item that have been in your online cart for God knows when? Do you have that thing in your head that you have always wanted to get, and because you don't have the enough money, you don't have enough money for it, you've not gotten it? Let me tell you, now is the time, because most of all these company, all these online shops, they'll be doing 70% discount, 30, 20, 10, 50. So you have to utilize this opportunity right now. If you know that your favorite store, keep tripping in online or to their website to see when they are dropping that discount so that you can also buy that thing that you have always wanted. Guess what that will do for you? It is not only going to make you get all the things that you need. In fact, it will not only make you get all the things that you want, you will also have change. You will also have money, kept for yourself. Let's say, for example, you have budget like 200K for a particular handbag or maybe footwear or whatsoever, and that's the handbag, maybe from the website you want to get it from, they are doing discounts, and maybe the discount might be like at 70K. Are you kidding me? You know how much you're going to be, saving. So make use of that opportunity. Okay, that is called smart shopping. Okay, yeah, I told you so. So the next one is Secret Santa and gift exchange. Okay, what this one is going to do for you is just to add spice, like, so that you and your friend can do a Secret Santa. You guys can, pick each other, buy gifts for yourselves. It's not like it's going to make you not to buy gift for all your friends, but it's also going to make the season very fun. Do you understand? Not just like doing things on your own, giving out gift, but if you and your friends now decide to pick each other and buy gifts for each other, it's going to make it fun. Do you get me? Okay, I just decided to chip this one in so that you do not just make it boring. Yeah. Guys, the next one is for you to monitor and adjust. Okay, what do I mean? You have to keep a close eyes on your spending, because you might focus on buying one particular thing and you overspend. So you have to keep a close eye. So let's take, for example, that you're still on the gift matter, okay? Because I feel that that's one thing that also consumes money, or maybe decoration, maybe decorating. I don't know. I'm just giving instance. You can be buying gifts and have not even remember to buy things for decoration of your house. You're just busy buying gifts. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Like, you have to keep a close eyes. And also, I said this in the beginning, personally, our advice, if you want to budget, to write everything down to the T. If it is to decorate the house, you might budget like 300K for decoration of the house. If it is to cook for your friend, you can budget like 300K, so that whenever you're shopping, you cannot exceed that amount. You cannot exceed that amount for a particular thing that you want to do. And of course, you're going to start from the most important, right? We have said that before. So guys, in conclusion, okay, Christmas season or festive season is not all about spending. It's all about how much time you were able to spend with your loved ones, how memorable it was for you, how memorable you made it to be. Okay, anyway guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you have any Christmas or any budgeting tips that will help us this season, please leave it in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.